Hi everyone, and welcome to a new tutorial where I'll show you how to make money with Systeme.io. I'm going to show you 4 ways here, but ultimately you're free to reinvent the situation and come up with your own methods. It's up to you. But these 4 methods work and have been tested by many people. Me too. And so if you choose one of these methods, you can be sure that if you do things right, you'll make money. The first thing you can do to make money with Systeme.io is when you create an account, you can create one for free. I've put a link in the description. I've also provided free templates for those who want them. It's the link in the description. So how exactly can you go about doing that? The first thing is that Systeme.io has an affiliate program. Affiliate marketing is very simple. You recommend Systeme.io to others. These people sign up for a subscription using your link. This is an affiliate link, which is directly tied to your personal account and unique ID, allowing you to earn affiliate commissions. To get started, navigate to your dashboard and proceed to the affiliate dashboard section. You will see your specific affiliate link displayed there. Must be copy and go ahead to create your process. I have provided a full explanation in the video description. And then you share this link across different channels. And if someone subscribes to Systeme.io using your affiliate link, you will earn recurring commissions because Systeme.io pays you 60%. It's written right here. 60% commission on subscriptions. If it's a monthly subscription, you'll receive 60% of the subscription amount every month. If it's an annual subscription, the same applies. 60% of the subscription amount every year. That's in every language, quote unquote. Systeme.io is available in almost every language worldwide. Well, you can do it in any language, in any currency, and you'll earn affiliate commissions. That's the first way. The second way is still through affiliate marketing. Systeme.io lets you create your own affiliate program, okay? And so that means you can set it up. If you have your own products, you can create your own products and you can sell your products or offer them to your audience. If you already have an audience, well, to sell, to offer your products to their audience afterwards and pay that audience. This means you'll increase the traffic you can generate, traffic that doesn't belong to you directly, but to your audience, who will then be able to recommend your product. These people will earn a commission, and in return, you'll get traffic that you pay for. It's highly qualified traffic because it's a recommendation, and you'll pay the people who bring you these customers. But it also works the other way around. If you go to the Systeme.io community, for example, it could be here, it could be elsewhere. I'm just giving you that as an example. There's an official Systeme.io community. There are 162,000 members at the time I'm recording this video. So, well, if among those people, there are some who have a Systeme.io account, and among those people, there are some who have an offer on their account that is valid, meaning the offer has proven itself, it's generating revenue. There are people, there's an audience, the product is good. Well, you can contact these people and tell them, look, I have an audience in your field. I don't necessarily want to create a product. Would you allow me to promote your product? Meaning I'll send you traffic. And this person will generate sales from the traffic you send them. And you'll agree on a deal where they give you a commission percentage on all sales generated by the traffic you send their way. So it's still affiliate marketing, just a different way of doing it. So it's either affiliate marketing with Systeme.io. So you recommend Systeme.io, people subscribe, and Systeme.io pays you a percentage. Either you have a product, you're selling your product, but you don't necessarily have the ability to generate all the traffic you want. You can use affiliate marketing. So you offer a commission. You offer to pay people to send you traffic, or the reverse. You send traffic to people who already have an offer. And in that case, those people pay you if you make sales. So they make sales with the traffic you send them. First point. Second point, which actually ties back to the first one, is you've created your own product. Systeme.io lets you create, if we go back here, sales funnels. And within these sales funnels, you'll be able to create a funnel that allows you to sell products or services. So if I select this key, this is let's just run a test. We'll click accept here. And if I look here, you can see that I can sell 2 types of products. You can see that I can sell digital products, right? I'll be able to create a course, create an ebook, and also create a community. We don't often think about it, but in the resources here, you can create communities and you can sell paid access to them. I'm not sure if you're familiar with how it works, but there's a very popular software that does this called School. And School actually lets you sell subscription access to a community. Well, you can totally do that on Systeme.io. If you happen to manage a community, you can simply tell them, please join us for X euros every single month, or perhaps pay a one-time fee. And just like that, you are successfully selling access to a community. Furthermore, you have the option to sell 1 or even multiple online courses, or perhaps a digital product such as an ebook, which is a straightforward direct sale. Systeme.io makes the entire process of selling your content incredibly simple and easy for everyone. You can sell coaching, you can actually create a funnel, you'll generate leads, you'll bring them into a pipeline, right? This pipeline will allow you, if I show you here, to manage your leads, see where they are in the negotiation process, whether they're buying or not, and then, well, book coaching sessions with them. All of that directly within Systeme.io. You'll be able to create a calendar, create events, and set up super simple coaching directly in Systeme.io. That's another way to generate money with Systeme.io. Another strategy, or at least another way to generate income through Systeme, is simply that you have the option. Systeme has set up a certification program. Basically, it involves training courses. You attend several sessions, and each one includes a quiz. You're going to need to take the quiz so you can get Systeme certified. Basically, they explain how the platform works, what you can do, how to create, automation rules, etc. You can demonstrate everything directly. And once you're certified, you don't have to be certified, but it's an added bonus. And once you're certified, well, nothing is stopping you from becoming a service provider. You'll be working with entrepreneurs who have an established audience, a base of clients, or a solid product idea, and you will show them how Systeme helps to fully automate their business. Furthermore, you have the opportunity to get officially certified to become a professional funnel builder. This means that you will be responsible for creating their websites or handling whatever other technical tasks are required to get their projects up and running successfully. Build websites and sales pages for others. Yes, also need clients. Start here. This group has 162,000 members. And similar groups exist in other languages. If you're fluent, work in those markets. There are English, Portuguese, Italian, Spanish, German, Japanese, Russian, and South American groups. So you can go into these communities if you speak the language and offer your services to people, for example. That's just an example, okay? But here, we have a question. Someone who needs some advice for something specific, all right? How to do something on the platform. And I could easily sell him a service and say, I'll do it for you. I have an agency where I work as a freelancer, and I'll do it for you. I'll build websites, create funnels, and set up automations for others. That's another way of doing it. One last method, which is perhaps the least known or least used on Systeme, because it's not necessarily the first platform that comes to mind, is selling physical products. You can have a physical store on Systeme, create a catalog of physical products, t-shirts, caps, mugs, whatever you want, and sell these products via the Systeme platform, managing shipping, transactions, and everything else through Systeme. That is not necessarily the case. Personally, I have not experimented with physical products myself, although it certainly remains a viable option for you. You are welcome to look into that, but please know that everything you need is already fully achievable right here on the platform. To quickly recap, you have two main paths. You can engage in affiliate marketing by recommending Systeme to earn a commission, or if you have your own offer, you can sell it and pay other people to drive traffic your way. Essentially, this means it is one fewer task that you have to worry about when it comes to generating traffic. Alternatively, if you would prefer not to create your own products, you could always try your hand at affiliate marketing. Simply search for a Systeme.io program within the community and reach out to them saying, I'll send traffic your way, and in return, you pay me for the sales that I generate. Alternatively, you can get certified. It is not mandatory, but it is recommended to fully understand and master the platform and to help people who have ideas, business ideas, products, etc., but who don't know how, don't have the time, or don't want to manage the platform. You will create websites, sales funnels, blogs, manage email campaigns, and more for them. Handle all the automations for those people as a service. Alternatively, you might have an idea for a physical product, maybe even for someone else, and you're going to create an online store for physical products for those people or for yourself directly on the Systeme.io platform. That's absolutely brilliant. And what you see here, what's even better, is that once your business is established, physical product, digital product, affiliate marketing, whatever it may be, you can easily use various communication channels, email marketing, SMS marketing to drive these people into funnels, onto websites, into communities, or into courses, all directly on the Systeme platform. So it's an excellent platform, at least to get started. If you don't know where to start, honestly, the easiest thing is affiliate marketing. You understand the product, whether it's a service or a physical item. You generate traffic, you talk about that product, you highlight its benefits and the problems it solves. You generate traffic for the product in question and earn commissions. You don't have products to sell or manage, no inventory to handle, no customers, and no customer service to deal with. To get started, this is the best strategy, and the more you grow in it. After that, you can branch out into selling your own products. There are various ways to sell your own products, okay? Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you don't have a Systeme account yet, you can create one for free by clicking the link in the description. And I've also included some templates as a gift. You can click, it's the second link in the description, or the first link, sorry, and you can click to get all these templates directly in your member area. See you next time for another tutorial.